One of the things that you have to be a little careful about with your children is to make sure that they get a lot of practice. So how is it that you can get them to enjoy mathematics while not feeling that they're actually studying something? One way to do it is through a competition, and I would recommend that you use a pack of cards. In this pack of cards, I'm taking out first all the picture cards. I'm leaving the aces back in, but I'm taking out the jokers, the kings, queens, jacks, all of that. So let's keep these aside. So now let's suppose we're talking to a child who's just about learned multiplication. One way to do it is to say, okay, what is this multiplied by this? As children grow a little older, maybe you change this to saying, what is this multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this? So for example, 8 into 3 is 24, 5 into 5 is 25, 24 plus 25 is 49, and that could be the answer that you're looking for. And again, it's done in a competitive environment. So let's try and do things a little differently. For integers, we will assume that the red cards are minus and the black cards are plus. So again, much the same thing. What is this multiplied by this? Now as you can see, this is a red 8, so it's minus 8. This is a black 6, so it is plus 6. 6 8s are 48, and since it's minus, it should be minus 48. Let's try it again. We have an 8 and we have a 3. This time both are positive. So positive multiplied by positive will give us positive. So 8 into 3 is 24, and there is no minus sign here. Let's do it again. Again we have 1 minus 1 plus, so the answer to this will be minus 25. And this can be done in exactly the same way each time. Over time, your children will now move into fractions. How do you do fractions? So again, the same cards. Let's say we have a 9 and we have a 2. We can say, suppose you divide 9 by 2, this is an improper fraction. How can it become a mixed fraction? So the answer to this, of course, is 4.5, because 9 divided by 2 can also be represented as 4.5. And that's the answer in this particular case. Similarly, there is a whole range of different sub-activities that you can do, and you can really make this a lot of fun and very interesting for your children, and you can repeat this pretty much endlessly, and it's great fun. This will help them get a lot more comfortable in all elements of number systems.